Well, today I'm setting off on 544-mile trip to northwest North Dakota, and then I'm gonna go out through Montana, and then the day after that I'm coming back way across the top of North Dakota so I can check off every single county in North Dakota. This bike this year has been, or will be, to every single county in North Dakota. And then I don't have to take a motorcycle back there again because I got them all. So, you know, it's just a constant light mist right now. Not enough to put rain gear on because it's warm. As soon as the sun comes up, it'll burn off, but first hour or so is probably gonna kind of suck. Just be moist. Ugh. So I'm near Blanchard, North Dakota, and this is the KVLY. I think I got that right. Anyway, it's a TV tower. It is the tallest man-made structure in the Western Hemisphere. It was made in 1963. It was 2,063 feet tall, and in 2019, when they changed how TVs work, the FCC repack or whatever it was called, they took the VHF antenna off the top, and now it's 1,987 feet tall. So that's like, you know, 3/8 of a mile straight up. And, you know, the video will never ever convey how big hills or mountains or towers or buildings are, but it's pretty neat standing near it. I mean, I have to look even this far back. You know, I'm a quarter mile from that building. I have to look basically straight up to see the top of that thing. So I mean, it's neat to me. Yeah, it's just a tower. You wouldn't ever think anything of it driving by it, but it used to be the tallest man-made structure in the world. But then there was it Warsaw had a tower that was bigger, but it collapsed in the 90s. There was one in Tokyo that was taller. This isn't even top 5 tallest structures in the world anymore. I think it's still top 10, but it is the tallest thing in the Western Hemisphere. So, I mean, what else are you gonna do in this part of North Dakota, you know? So, of course, I stopped to see it because why not? So this is the stuff I bring with me for basic cooking, you know. Got pop, whatever. I just got this super cheap foldable Ozark Trail knife, fork, and spoon thing. You know, garlic powder, either cayenne or smoked paprika. I grabbed the wrong one. I thought that was smoked paprika. I mean, almost the same thing. Salt and pepper. You know, you can get these little things off Amazon, or I think I got this at Fleet Farm. Just a little cooler, just enough to carry, you know, basic stuff in. I put ice packs in here instead of actual ice when I'm staying places with a freezer like hotel rooms, and it's less mess. You know, I might bring Spam, or, you know, I didn't bring it with me, but I've got this kid's water bottle. I'll crack a bunch of eggs in it, and then I can make eggs on this. I've got a $9 Coleman Outdoors pot and pan set, the aluminum one that all clamshells together. I don't have that out, but I have that for like making Spam and eggs or whatever. This Jetboil Minimo on the expensive side, but it's really nice. That all packs into there. There's a cup that goes on the bottom. The uneven ground support thing for the can packs inside the lid. And you know, it'll boil water, you know, 2 cups of water in less than 2 minutes. And I think you get about 40 to 45 cups of water out of that one small 100-gram fuel cell. But yeah, otherwise, like snacks, I just bring granola bars, crackers and peanut butter, that kind of stuff. Simple stuff. Some people go overboard with cooking on adventures, but I'm riding the motorcycle. That's what I'm doing. That's my main activity. I'm not camping and getting there on a motorcycle. I'm not cooking and driving my motorcycle. I am riding my motorcycle. So this is a fancy meal for me, really. Usually I just don't eat, or eat a granola bar or a handful of chips or whatever. Focus. You should remember to take that out before you put the water in. I mean, all it's going to do is absorb water, but dumbass. My bike's full of greasy, grimy gopher guts. Hit one on the road back there, fried it to the header pipe. Wish I had not tried to scrape it off of there. I just made it so much worse. It just spread the goo around. Burning fur and flesh, fuck, it smells so bad. Think I'll ride and char it up, then it will just fall right off. I hope. Otherwise this thing's gonna smell nasty the whole trip.